how to calculate oxidation number. We have a sample here. Calculate oxidation number of HNO3. The first thing is that we write out the oxidation number of each. The oxidation number of hydrogen is actually +1. Next, the oxidation number of oxygen, right, is -2. That's the oxidation state of oxygen. And oxidation number of nitrogen is what we are supposed to calculate here. That's what we are supposed to calculate here. Next is to identify your number of atoms. So I'm just going to write this. H, number of atom here is 1. N, number of atom here is 1. O3, number of atom here is 3. So please do not forget the number down here is the number of atom. If there's no number, just like the question was given, Hn, there's no number at the down, it means there's an invisible one. So you could still write your one out, as I would like to advise. Next, we'll expand and turn it into a proper equation. And how do we do that? We'd say H, we'll write the number of atom of H here. And we say the oxidation number of H is what? +1, hydrogen. Then we'll add it to the one for the nitrogen. The number of atom of nitrogen here is 1. Open bracket. What's the oxidation state of the nitrogen? We do not know, so we'll call it X. So I'm supposed to put this place equals X. We'll call it X. Moving further, plus the oxidation state of oxygen is -2, right? So the number of atom is 3 first. Open bracket, -2, which is the oxidation number of oxygen, isn't it? And we equate everything to 0. The reason why everything here equals 0 is because there's no charge, like I would indicate here. There's no charge here. They didn't give us HNO3 minus or HNO3 2 minus. They didn't give us anything like that, so would equate everything to be 0. And so 1 times 1 is 1, plus 1 times x is x. Now 3 times -2. 3 times -2 is -6. Just punch my calculator. Everything equals 0. Next, you isolate x. Isolate x. And in isolating x, would say x equals, we carry 6 to the other side. -6, if it crosses the equal to sign, it becomes, this is what happens, this -6 will cross to this side, it becomes +6. So we'll say +6, and also 1, this is +1, if it crosses the equal to sign, it becomes -1. So I'm just going to write that as -1, and so our x will become +6 minus 1 will give us +5. So the oxidation, so therefore the oxidation number of nitrogen in HNO3 equals +5. And this is our final answer. Would you like to solve similar questions? Click on the link in the description box, and you'll be referred back to WhatsApp. And if you have questions, you could also ask. You win. Just believe.